You will need to go to your choice of a payment gateway and set up an account. Get an API, login ID, and transaction key. In order to do this, go to the Payment Gateway's website and sign up. Select Account Login. Select Account, and then you'll be under Settings. Go to API Credentials and Keys. Make sure you document your API login and credential key. It will ask you a secret question, give it its secret answer, and submit. Be sure to store the transaction key in a very safe place. Do not share it with anyone, as it is used to protect your transaction. The system-generated transaction key is similar to a password, and it is used to authenticate requests submitted to the gateway. If a request cannot be authenticated using the transaction key, the request is rejected. You may generate a new transaction key as often as you wish. How do I turn off email receipts going to my customers? One of the things that we never want to see is the client's customers receiving an email receipt from the gateway. BirdDog's websites are designed to send a confirmation email to the customer, providing them with the complete order detail. For the layman or typical internet user, receiving both emails may give the appearance of being billed twice for the same transaction. BirdDog website confirmation emails appear to be sent from the company the merchandise was actually purchased from, i.e., an order from BirdDog Software Corporation sends an email from the birddogsoftware.com domain. This greatly reduces any potential confusion. However, the default setting for an authorized.net account sends a confirmation email as well. To disable this feature, follow these steps. Log into your authorized.net, choose Account, Email Receipt. Under the Enable Email Confirmation, make sure both boxes are not selected and click Submit. In order to set up a payment gateway, you will need to go to System Management, Payment Gateways. Click Add. The username assigned by the gateway goes in the Login ID field. This may be referred to as source key in the email you receive. The password assigned by the gateway goes in the password field. This may be referred to as the PIN in the email received. The merchant number assigned by the gateway goes in the merchant number field. If you want to set up an eBiz charge, then from the drop-down menu, select eBiz charge. Select e-commerce from the market type. Enter the Merchant Service API login. This is not your regular Merchant Service account login ID. In password, enter the transaction key. This is not your regular Merchant Service account password. The API signature is not used. Next to Test Transactions, check to test transaction process. If this is a live site, leave it unchecked. Next to Test Account, check if this is a Merchant Services test account. Leave unchecked for live sites and press Save. In order to set up your website to take credit card orders, you will need to go to System Management, Site Settings, choose your site, and click Payment Methods. Set up a terms code. Enable credit card to be run on your site. Enable credit card transactions. Before enabling your credit card payment method, make sure you set up a terms code for it. In order to do this, you will go to System Management, Term Codes. You will either add a new term code or edit the term codes already listed in this section. Go back to System Management, go to Site Settings, click your URL, choose Payment Methods. Make sure that Enable Credit Card is checked. Make sure that Process Credit Card is checked. Under Credit Card Account, select the account that was created in System Management Credit Card Accounts.